Namaskar, I'm Pratiksha Manglekar and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is the place where we dive into everything that helps you sharpen your English skills, boost your confidence and become a powerful public speaker. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you the 15th episode of my Speechcraft series, where I share tips, tricks and strategies to help you ace your speeches. So get ready for an exciting episode packed with valuable insights on Deepavali. In India, Diwali is celebrated with great grandeur and boundless enthusiasm. The festival marks the return of Prabhu Sri Ramachandra, Mata Sita Devi and Lakshmana to Ayodhya after their 14-year-long exile. The festivities begin with the observance of Vasubaras, a day dedicated to worshipping a cow and her calf, symbolizing the nurturing aspect of nature. On this day, the popular Maharashtrian sweet Puran Poli is offered, with some women also choosing to fast. Homes come alive with vibrant rangolis, the glow of Akash Diva or Kandils, alongside traditional oil lamps, illuminating the courtyards and spreading the festive spirit. The second day of Diwali is celebrated as Dhanatrayodasi or Dhanteras in some communities. It marks the birth of Lord Dhanvantari, the god of medicine, who is worshipped on this very day. In traditional homes, coriander seeds and jaggery are also offered in reverence. During the evening, families pray to Lord Yama for the well-being and long life of each family member. The ritual of Yamadipadan involves lighting an oil lamp made from wheat flour dough, symbolizing protection from any untimely death. The next day, that is Naraka Chaturdashi, holds significant importance for Hindus. It commemorates the day when Bhagwan Shri Krishna defeated the demon Narkasura, liberating 16,000 gopis. This day celebrates the triumph of good over evil. In various parts of India, it is also known as Kali Chaudas, Roop Chaudas or Bhuta Chaturdashi, each highlighting regional variations of the same powerful theme. On Naraka Chaturdashi, people rise before sunrise and perform a traditional ritual by applying Suvasik Utne or Uptan on their bodies along with oil, followed by a warm water bath. This cleansing ritual symbolizes the removal of impurities, both physical and mental, and prayers are offered to gods to banish any negative thoughts. त्यानंतर दिवाळीच्या गोड धोड फराळावर यथेच ताव मारला जातो. Meaning, families come together to indulge in a delightful feast of Diwali faral or sweets and snacks, a moment of joy and togetherness that embodies the festive spirit. The most significant day of Diwali follows Mahalakshmi Pujan. This day is devoted to dispelling the darkness of poverty and igniting the light of prosperity into our homes and our lives. The Lakshmi Puja is typically conducted in the evening or at night, where homes are beautifully adorned with vibrant marigold flowers, mango leaves and a toran, that is a decorative garland hung at the entrance. The evening worship honors Lord Ganesha, Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Saraswati and Lord Kuber, the treasurer of gods. Offerings of puffed jawar, sweet battashe and sweet naivedya are also presented to the deities. On this auspicious day, worship extends to material symbols of prosperity such as currency notes, gold and silver coins, jewelry and even certificates, highlighting the reverence for wealth, knowledge and success. The concept of Lakshmi Puja goes beyond wealth, affluence or material success, encompassing the broader essence of Shri. But what is Shri? It symbolizes not just financial wealth but also food grains, pulses, prosperity, power, health, success, prestige, popularity and longevity. Lakshmi Kuber Puja holds particular importance to industrialists, traders, and business people who not only worship money but also honor their financial transaction ledgers on this day, symbolizing their wish for continued growth and success in their businesses. Following Lakshmi Puja, the day of Bali Pratipada is celebrated as Diwali Padwa. This day is considered an auspicious muhurt where people traditionally buy gold or property. Married women perform aarti for their husbands, symbolizing their respect and love, while businessmen mark the beginning of their new financial year on Diwali Padwa. The grand finale of Diwali is Bhau Beej or Bhai Dooj, a heartwarming celebration of the bond between brothers and sisters. It signifies the deep love, affection, and respect that siblings share. Also known as Yama Dvitiya, on this day, brothers visit their married sisters. The sister performs an auction, moving the thali in circular motion while chanting Ida Pida Talu De Baritsa Rajya Yevu De, which translates to May you be free from all troubles and may prosperity reign in your life. In return, the brother gifts his sister a Bhau Beej gift, symbolizing his love and gratitude. Through this exchange, the sister prays for her brother's long and healthy life, further sweetening and strengthening their bond, making it more cherished with each celebration. In conclusion, Diwali is not just a festival of lights but a celebration of love, prosperity, and the eternal triumph of good over evil. Each day of this vibrant festival holds unique significance, from honoring divine figures such as Lord Dhanvantari and Goddess Lakshmi to strengthening the cherished bonds between family members. It reminds us to embrace new beginnings, express gratitude for the blessings we receive, and share our joy with others. As we light lamps to dispel the darkness, let us also reflect on the inner darkness that needs to be cast away, such as negativity, division, and fear. Let us help others, those who are less fortunate, and spread the true light of Diwali, the light of hope, love, and humanity. May this Diwali bring prosperity, happiness, and peace to every home. Wishing everyone a joyous and meaningful Diwali. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with others. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Speechcraft. I'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tips to improve your communication skills, and I'll see you in the next video. तुम्हा सर्वांना दिवाळीच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.